That's what she is every time we gonna put the color. She knows she's going with us.
Bentley's a little more calm.
Oh yeah, Bentley always, hey, always kind and calm.
Jeez.
He's looking at that. He's looking on that. How about that one? Sit.
You are a pain in the ass, girl. Where's the hook? There. Come here. Jesus.
Shadow. Let's go, let's go. Let's take a walk. Let's take a walk, girl.
No, we're not getting in the car. Here, take her while I get my sunglasses. Get her away from the car.
Come here, come here. Ito nga. No, we're not going to get the car. Or just walk. Yeah, there's food there. They don't eat. I give them food. I guess they don't like tuna. Rice and tuna.
More chicken.
Huh?
More chicken.
Yeah, the other day I give him leftover rotisserie chicken. Shh. Hey! Ito niya. Oh! My God. Oh my God.
She's hard to control.
Oh my God. I hurt my arms.
Yeah.
Something pull here. Something pull here. Oh, wow. Jeez.
Did they ever respond back about that?
Nope. Oh, this is so many. Look at that. We call that makopa. Makopa. Wow, look at the fruits. Ang dami. Sarap. Ang dami, oh. Sayang, dami nalaglag. What time is it?
Oh, about 45 after.
8:25. We're kind of a little late doing our walk in the neighborhood because this guy here watching his what you call that, babe? The what? The racket. The racket. The racket take off. Excuse the dog. Wait me there, okay? I'm gonna get the pandesal. Ako bumibili ng pandesal. Tapos balik na tayo doon. Kasi si Mister nag-aantay dito. Mag-shortcut lang tayo. Shortcut tayo. Nagtanong naman ako sa guard kung pwedeng dumaan dyan. Okay naman daw. Okay lang. Siyempre, hindi dapat ganun lagi. It's not all the time. You gonna do this. Because, kaya nga may gate eh, di ba? Dito. Ayun si husband, oh. Aray ko. Ayun si husband, oh. Pitunya, pitunya. Did he poop? Did she poop? Look at that duhat tree. Look at that duhat tree. Ang dami. Ang daming buka. Kaso, walang kumukuha. Dami, no? Daming bunga. Nahuhulog lang. Dami. Yung kalsada ng itim sa duhat. Oh well. Iniwan na ako ng dalawa. Kasi dumating yung aming delivery. Water delivery. Thirsty? Thirsty much? Daddy is also at 2.
Hey, it's drooling all over the place.
It's alright. Okay, let's have our pandesal. Yan. Try natin yung mga palaman na to. Kahit pa isa-isa. Kahit pa isa-isang pandesal with the palaman. You know, I'm good. Ano din ako ng 2 itlog. Siniscramble ko lang. May isa doon, oh. Ay, sus.